At this point, my mail lady hates me. That's probably every saying from every TikTok shop affiliate, but it's true. Our mail carriers hate us. So let me give you a little story time. I had the worst time tracking down that Steve and Maggie book you just seen in the very beginning of this video. Okay, so on the 11th, I had 2 packages from TikTok shop delivered. It was Steve and Maggie's songbook and Learn Playbook. Well, I only got the Learn Playbook. I didn't get the songbook. So I was like, what's going on here? So when I had originally got the mail on the 11th, it was delivered. Yeah, it was, but the bag was already open. I didn't think much about it because, I mean, the mail lady, we have promised the mail lady already, and I didn't think much about it. So I started digging around, and I'm definitely missing the songbook. So today, this morning, I get up and I call the post office, and when I start talking to the guy, I'm like, hey, you know, is there any chance that this box fell out of the bag that it was in because it was open when I received it? Can you check the mail truck? He's like, well, you know, this happens, and it's not necessarily our fault. It gets lost in transit before it even gets to us. And I was like, could you just go check? He takes his sweet time. Finally, he comes back and he tells me, what was you missing? I was like, I'm missing this. It's a Steve and Maggie book, and it's a little song book. Yeah, I have it here. I can send it out today. So, was they just going to keep it if they didn't know who it was going to? Because it didn't have no, you know, shipping information or anything like that, because it was in a bag that had been opened, that had the label on the bag. So, I don't know. Anyway, these apples, stay tuned for my taste testing video. I am telling you, I am super excited to share with you guys these kind of videos. I've seen other TikTokers do it, so do you want to see all of my samples before I start batch recording? So just comment below, let me know. And yeah, this is life as a TikTok shop affiliate. I get about 10 to 30 packages a day. My mail carrier hates me. And I have constant videos I am constantly needing to record and make product videos for you guys. So this is something that I just want to share with you guys behind the scenes, so you can get a little idea of what I'm doing behind the scenes. And of course, you can always shop my showcase and find these products before I make the videos and give you my honest reviews.